Demand report busted the several-day gain streak for soybeans. Michelle Rook is back with in-depth analysis in Markets Now.
Grain markets were lower on Thursday after the USDA report. Joining us with analysis is Don Roose, U.S. Commodities. And Don, higher yield production and ending stocks on both corn and soybeans. And we did see some reaction to that in the trade.
Yeah, most definitely. The government came out with bigger yields on corn, 1.9 bushels, up 0.3 of a bushel on soybeans. It surprised the trade a little bit, although the whisper was for higher numbers. But I think the trade was hopeful that maybe we won't see bigger numbers. But also ending stocks went up on corn, but demand went up on ethanol exports and domestic demand on feed. So a little bit of a positive there, lower prices buying some demand. But overall, a report that I would say is negative on corn, more neutral negative on soybeans and wheat. Michelle.
Yeah, so corn, we did take out the December contract anyways, the September and the summer lows. So where do we project to now?
Yeah, we did. We took out the summer lows, like you said, and the downside. So September corn went off the board at 455 3/4 on a low. So that's the downside target on these continuation charts, So round number 450, 455 is probably the big support zone. And, we still have some potential for the upside again, Michelle. The basis levels firming up and South America weather's on the radar.
Yeah, and beans also faded, the big export sales that came at the market, but we had kind of already priced that in, didn't we?
Yeah, the soybeans went into this report on a rally and a little bit of a negative report. When you take the ending stocks up on soybeans, it's not a positive, so we had to react to it. But, technical damage was done, but, there's support on the downside. And again, much like corn, the trade's going to watch very close what happens to this weather over the weekend and each weekend going forward.
I was going to say, Don, really doesn't matter how much technical damage you do in soybeans. If South American weather doesn't turn around, this could get explosive, couldn't it?
Yeah, very much so it could. I mean, even a 200, our carry out close to that 250 million is not, over some embarrassing when you have the South America between Argentina and Brazil produce almost twice the volume of soybeans that we do. So it's a big issue going forward. And China's underneath the market buying U.S. soybeans. So I think they're telling us they're concerned also, Michelle.
Thanks for joining us, Don Roose, U.S. Commodities. That is Markets Now. We'll have more AgDay coming up.
For all your risk management and trading needs, call one of the U.S. Commodities specialists at 800-247-4071.